Hi, my name is Chris and I'm from All Security Company, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in your 2 gig wireless motion sensor. All you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a 3-volt lithium battery. What you're gonna do is remove the screw from the bottom. Once the screw's out, very easy to open. And the battery just goes in the back here. You got your positive and negative side. Make sure you put your battery in correctly. Snap it into place. Put the cover back on. And you screw the screw back in. Once that's all set, this LED will flash for a little bit. After a little while, it goes away, and you have now replaced the battery in your wireless motion sensor.